We're looking at a 1937 Cletrac at the Maine Forest and Logging Museum. We believe it has a Model A engine which has been added. You can see a number of engine mounts that were put in to attach the engine. And here's how the coupling was modified to go to the transmission. We've hooked up a 6-volt battery just to see if it will turn over. Yeah, I guess it does. That's good news. I'm going to test the clutch and drivetrain just using the starter.
Yeah, see, the clutch works.
Yeah, it kind of goofed me up on that. The drivetrain appears to be functioning okay.
It steers too, because I was trying to steer it back like that.
So we have now the electrical system to work on. We think this may be a front ski for a Lombard, kind of a mono ski, a single ski, homemade.
I don't think it's homemade.